When you are ready to use the Lenovo VR Classroom with your students, you have two options to consider. You can use the VR headsets in self-guided mode, where students work independently through a directed or chosen virtual reality experience. Self-guided VR experiences could be used with individual students, small groups, or an entire class. In a self-guided experience, students would navigate to the app, open the app on their own, and move at their own pace through the VR experience. Or you can conduct teacher-guided learning sessions using the Lenovo Teacher Tablet. Teacher-guided learning sessions will most likely be completed with an entire class, but could be used with small groups and individual students as well. In a teacher-guided session, the teacher will use the tablet to open a VR experience and guide students through that experience using the tablet. Other videos will show specific examples of a self-guided learning session using Wild Immersion by Jane Goodall Wildlife Videos, and a teacher-guided learning session using Google Expeditions. For now, let's discuss how to prepare the tablet for teacher-guided learning sessions. Start by turning on the tablet and ensuring it is connected to wireless internet. The tablet is held with the Lenovo icon on the left side of the tablet, and the power button is on the right side of the tablet. The power button is located right below the volume buttons. Press and hold to turn the tablet on, or tap to wake the tablet. Swipe up on the tablet to get to the home screen. If a password has been enabled, you'll need to enter the password at this point. If you are using the Ruckus wireless access point that came with the Lenovo VR Classroom, the connection should happen automatically from the access point to the tablet. If you need to connect to the internet, have the appropriate school personnel help you connect to the desired wireless network. Once you have ensured that the tablet is connected to the Ruckus wireless access point or the desired wireless network, your tablet is ready to conduct guided learning sessions with your students and the headsets. To add new content to the tablet, make sure the tablet is connected to a wireless network and then use the Google Play Store. Google Expeditions content is automatically transferred from the tablet to the headset. To get additional content from the tablet to the headset, you have two options. You can connect each headset to a wireless network other than the Ruckus wireless access point. Or you can use a micro SD card to transfer content from the tablet to the headset. Your tablet already has Google Expeditions downloaded, and all you need to do is download new Expeditions on the tablet in order to use them on the student headsets.